Okay, we are going to the next question now. That's alphabet C. The question is saying, draw the linear scale of the map. We're going to draw the linear scale of the map. Draw the linear scale of the map. With a say linear scale, meaning you see this kind, you see this type. This is the linear scale of the map. You can see it here. I'm not saying this is the linear scale, or they say that we should draw it based on the fractional scale we have gotten from this map. Are you getting what I'm saying? Based on this fractional scale we have gotten from this map. And what is the fractional scale we have gotten? From our previous video, that's from B. We got 1:46,000. 1:46,000. That's the fractional scale we have gotten. How do you draw the linear scale now? It's very simple. What you need to do is, as you know that you are saying each 1 centimeter is representing 46,000 centimeter, 46,000 centimeter, you can say, why not just convert this one to kilometers, either to kilometers or in meters. I would like, you are the one to just decide, since they did not tell you that we want our linear scale to be in kilometers or in so units. You are the one to decide. I want my linear scale to be in meters. I want my linear scale to be in kilometers. Are you getting it? So now what we are going to do now is to just say, I want my scale to be in kilometers. That's what I want. Are we getting what I'm saying? You may say I want them to be in meters, but at the end you must identify that actually my linear scale is in meters, either in kilometers or in inches, even in feet. But here now, I'm deciding now that I want my linear scale to be in kilometers. That's to say, 1 unit is equals to, I'm going to convert, I'm saying 1 centimeter is equals to 46,000 centimeter. That's from above scale. I'm converting this centimeter into kilometers. As we are going to divide, right? We are going to divide. Centimeter, we know that times 10 raised power of what? That's 10 centimeter to meters. 10 raised power minus 2. And times meters to kilometer. That's 10 raised power minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is, you'll get cumulative of minus 5. That's minus 5. We are going to divide this 46,000 centimeter by 10 raised power of minus 5. 10 raised power of minus 5. So we'll be having 1 centimeter is equals to, that's, we are removing 5 zeros from this 46,000. Let's do it together. We remove 1, we remove 2, we remove 3, we remove 4, and we remove 5. That's 0.46. 0.46 kilometer. It's simple, but we are yet to draw our linear scale. That's the question they ask us. Now we are saying it's 1 centimeter and I will give us 0.46 kilometer. Or approximately, we can say 1 centimeter is equals to 0.5. 0.5 kilometer. You get it? So you can now we want to draw a linear scale. Take your ruler, you measure to any length you want. But you make sure that at every 1 centimeter, assuming this is my 1 centimeter, you must have 0. Sorry. This is assuming now this is my 1 centimeter, and this is another 1 centimeter, and this is another 1 centimeter, and this is another 1 centimeter. You can have even more than this, but you must make sure that at every 1 centimeter you are having 0.5 kilometer. You get it? Here now, since we are starting from origin 0. From 0 to this 1 centimeter, we are having what? 0.5 kilometer. So you put your 0.5 here. This 0.5. From 0.5 to here, what are we going to see? Plus 0.5, we are having 1.0. Another 0.5, 1.5. Another, then you are having 2.0. It's continuous. Your own may be lesser than this or even more than this, but you must make sure that this thing continues like this. And next thing is to let them know that it is in kilometers or in meters, just any meter, just any unit you use. If you decided to use your own to be in meters, then here now you are going to write meter. If it is in centimeter, you write it centimeter. I hope you are getting it. So I hope you can see it, that it looks almost the same thing as this. You may decide to say kilometer all through this, but at the end, some people, most of the time, you can only put 1 kilometer at the end like this, and everybody will know that everything here now is in kilometers. You mustn't do it like the way they do it here. They're like the way they did it here. You see everywhere they put kilometer. But your own, you can just decide to put kilometer or just 1 kilometer at the end, and it will settle everything. I hope you get what I'm saying. This is the linear scale of this map based on the fractional scale we have gotten earlier. So thank you guys.